In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the OG Skyblock map here in Minecraft version 1.21.7 and onwards. Let's go ahead and get started, but before we do, make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and comment down below if you do need any help. So first things first, if you are in Minecraft, go ahead and close out of this, and yes, this does include the Minecraft launcher. Open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and use Google Chrome, but it's completely up to you. Whatever you want to use works. And in this search bar, go ahead and type in skyblock.net. Go ahead and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And what you're going to want to do is find this download section up at the very top. Click on it. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And you can either choose from Skyblock version 2.0, but in this case, we're going to do Skyblock version 2.1, which is the most played. It's got that classic island, and it also does have that nether realm. You have two options here. You can select either, hardcore or just that standard version. It's up to you what you want to do, but just hit one of these two download buttons just like so. And it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You just need to go ahead and find this little download icon and click on it just like so. And it should download a zip file for you right up here. I recommend dragging this onto your desktop just because it'll make it a little bit easier for later. Now you can go ahead and close out of whatever web browser you had open. With this zip folder right here, you're going to want to go ahead and right click on it and then hit extract all and hit extract again. And it's going to open up another folder that looks like this. Go ahead and find this Skyblock 2.1 version and drag it out onto your desktop as well if you have a Windows computer. If you don't have a Windows computer, do that, but with the Mac OS X version, just like so. Once doing that, you can delete that zip folder and you can also delete that extracted folder because all you need is this one right here. Now, simply go ahead and open up that Minecraft launcher and make sure you're selected on the latest release version of Minecraft. This could be 1.21.7 if you're watching it now, or if you're watching in the future, just make sure you're selected on the most recent version. Go ahead and go into the installation section and find that same latest release and hit this little open installations folder. And it's going to open up a page that looks like this. Find the little saves folder just like so and open it up. And then find that Skyblock folder just like so and drag it in here. If you don't have a saves folder, you just need to create one. Just make sure it is all lowercase, just like this one right here. Now you can close out of this and reopen up that Minecraft launcher, navigate to that play section up at the top. Make sure once again you're on version 1.21.7 and hit play. Once it loads for you, go ahead and go into single player and you should see a Skyblock world just like so. You just simply need to go ahead and hit the little play arrow on it. And let me actually make this a little bit bigger as we get loaded in. But as you can see, once we're in here, we are now on Skyblock here in Minecraft Job Edition. If you do want a Bedrock Edition tutorial, I already have one up on the channel. But let me know down in the comments below if you do need an updated tutorial, and I'd be happy to make one. Now, quick little bonus, if you do want to play this map with friends, just upload that same world folder into the world folder on your Minecraft server. If you don't have a server, just let us know down in the comments below, and we'd be happy to make a tutorial on that as well. But yeah, that is it. You now have the classic Skyblock Island here in Minecraft 1.21.7. If this video did help you out, make sure to subscribe, give it a like, and of course, leave a comment if you do have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.